Hey guys, here I am today out at the pond, and just kind of show you our setup that we got going on here. As you can see out here, we have a couple of, you see the aerators going. I've got, let me show you my setup. Down here, I've got it kind of hidden in there. It's HiBlow. It seems to keep the ice off really well. And we keep it covered on 2 of the 4 sides so it can still breathe, but then that way it's kind of out of the weather. So hopefully it prolongs the life of our aerator. So we've definitely seen more activity here with the fish as well. It's definitely made them more active. So we were not catching any bass until we started putting the aerator in. So